A network is a collection of connected devices, also called nodes, that are linked together electronically so they can communicate with each other in a computer network. Computers themselves act as nodes. When two or more computers are connected and can exchange data, they form a computer network. The main purpose of a network is to support communication, allowing devices to share data, resources, and information efficiently. Data communication technologies play an important role in modern workplaces and daily life. One key benefit is that they facilitate communication. Communication systems allow people to collaborate and coordinate their work more quickly and effectively, even when they are not in the same location. Networks also allow users to share hardware devices such as printers and scanners can be connected to the network and used by multiple users, which reduces cost. Another benefit is the ability to share data and information. Tools like email, electronic file transfer, and content management systems make it easy to send, receive, and store information. Finally, networks allow users to share software. Licensing software can be installed on the network so that multiple users can access it instead of installing it on every individual computer. Data communication technologies have also changed daily life by making financial transactions and information access easier. One important use is transferring funds. Electronic fund transfer, or EFT, allows people to move money electronically, such as through online banking or mobile banking apps. This makes payments faster, safer, and more convenient. Another key benefit is information searching. Data communication enables users to easily find and retrieve information from the internet databases and online systems whenever they need it. A computer network is a system that connects computers and other devices so they can communicate and share data using communication media. There are four main types of networks based on their size and coverage area. A personal area network, PAN, is the smallest type. It connects devices around one person, such as a smartphone connected to a laptop or smartwatch using Bluetooth. A local area network, LAN, covers a small area, such as a home office or school. Devices within the same building are connected to share files, printers, and internet access. A metropolitan area network, MEIN, is larger than a LAN. It covers a city or large campus and connects multiple LANs together. A wide area network, WAN, is the largest type of network. It covers very large geographic areas, such as countries or even the whole world. The internet is the most common example of a WAN. In simple terms, networks range from very small personal connections to global communication systems depending on how far they reach. Network architecture explains how different parts of a network work together. This includes hardware, software, connectivity, communication protocols, and methods of data transmission that combine to form a complete network. There are two main types of network architecture. The first type is peer-to-peer network. This is a simple network that usually connects 10 or fewer computers using a hub, switch, or router. In this setup, all computers are equal, and each connected computer is called a peer. Each peer can share files, printers, or other resources directly with others. The second type is client-server network. In this architecture, one computer acts as a server and the other computers are clients. The server provides data and network resources to clients, such as shared printers, storage, databases, or websites. Clients send requests, and the server responds by providing the required service. A network topology describes the physical layout of a network, showing how computers and devices are connected to each other. In local area networks or LANs, there are different ways devices can be arranged. These arrangements are called topologies. There are three common types of network topologies. A star topology connects all devices to a central hub or switch. Each device communicates through this central point, which makes the network easier to manage. A ring topology connects devices in a circular loop. Data travels from one device to the next until it reaches its destination. A bus topology connects all devices to a single main cable. Data is sent along this cable and received by all devices on the network. The Internet is a worldwide collection of millions of computers and networks that are connected together. The word Internet comes from internetworking, which means connecting networks no single person, company, or organization owns or controls the Internet. The World Wide Web, also called the Web or WWE, is only one part of the Internet. It is the part that people use most often to access websites. The web organizes information in a structured way, so users can easily find and view content. The web uses hypermedia and hypertext to organize information. Hypermedia means documents can include different types of content, such as text, images, audio, and video. Hypertext refers to links embedded in documents that users can click to move from one page to another. An intranet is a private network used within an organization. It uses the same internet technologies, such as web browsers and protocols, but it is designed only for internal use. The main purpose of an intranet is to collect, store, and share information that supports daily business activities. Employees can use it to access company documents, announcements, policies, and internal systems. An intranet is sometimes called a corporate portal because it acts as a central place for employees to find important information. Access to an intranet is restricted and controlled. Only authorized employees and sometimes trusted business partners are allowed to use it. An intranet is different from a local area network, LAN. A LAN focuses on physical connections between devices, while an intranet focuses on information sharing using web technologies. An intranet is a private network used within an organization. It uses the same internet protocols and technologies, but it is designed only for internal purposes. The main role of an intranet is to collect, store, and share useful information that supports business activities such as company policies, announcements, and internal systems. An intranet is also known as a corporate portal because it provides employees with a central place to access organizational information. It is mainly for internal use by employees. Although some organizations allow trusted business partners to access certain parts of the intranet. An intranet is different from a LAN. A LAN focuses on connecting devices, while an intranet focuses on sharing information using web technologies because sensitive information is stored. Access to an intranet must be carefully defined and restricted.